Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Chrome on AlmaLinux 10. Chrome doesn't come pre-installed, and it's not in the default repositories either. So we'll grab it directly from Google. On AlmaLinux 10, there's one extra step compared to the older versions. We need to import Google's signing key first, or the install will fail. I'll walk you through it. Let's jump right in. First, open up your terminal. Before installing anything new, it's always good practice to update your system. Type sudo dnf update -y. Enter your password if asked for. This makes sure all your existing packages are current, which helps avoid dependency issues later. Now, on AlmaLinux 10, before we install Chrome, we need to import Google's signing key. Type this command and then hit enter. You'll probably see a couple of warning lines pop up about the key. Don't worry, that's normal. Red Hat dropped support for the older signing method. AlmaLinux 10 uses, but Google's key still imports fine. And the actual Chrome package is verified separately when we install it, so there's nothing to fix here. Now let's install Chrome. We'll use DNF and point it straight at Google's RPM, which handles the download and any dependencies automatically. Now type this command, hit enter. Using DNF here instead of RPM is important. It resolves dependencies for us so we don't run into missing library errors. Once that finishes, let's confirm everything installed successfully. Type google-chrome-stable --version. Hit enter. As you can see, Google Chrome has been successfully installed. All right, we're ready to launch Google Chrome. We can launch from the terminal, or we can launch from the applications menu. To launch from the terminal, type this command, google-chrome-stable. Enter. As you can see, Google Chrome was installed successfully. Now let's launch it from the applications menu. Go to your applications menu. And double click the Chrome icon. That's it. You've got Google Chrome up and running on AlmaLinux 10. If this video helped you out, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.